We're doing a screen replacement for an Acer Aspire laptop, model 5742-6878. As you can see, the screen right now has a lot of the vertical lines. And also, if you kind of twist the screen, you'll see more lines coming, so it's just not going to get better. So we'll be doing the screen replacement. The first step, of course, is to turn the computer off. So it's shutting down. Now that it's shut down, we have to remove the battery. We have to ensure that the power cord is not in there too. It's not plugged in. So now without the battery and the power, let's press the on button and make sure that it's off. Now the next step is to pry off the two tabs that would hide the screws on the laptop screen. So let's do that. One, two. Now a small Phillips screwdriver should remove the two screws. Alright, now let's just put the screws on the side. Now the two screws are removed. We have to pry the screen up slowly and carefully. So let's do that. There we go. You have to feel it and carefully pry it. There we go. The bottom part. Let's see, there we go. Now that the screen is exposed, what we have to do is take off the four Phillips screws located in the corners of the screen. So one, two, let's use this to take it off. Alright. Nope, the screen's off. Now we have to be careful to take off the screen because there are two wires located in the back. One is for the webcam and the other is for the screen itself. So I'm just going to turn it over to the side.
And the bottom.
Alright.
Is it sharp?
And pry the screen off slowly. So there is the webcam and there is the screen connector. Well, what we have to do is remove the screen connector. Like so, slowly. Now the screen is off. Let's get the new screen. Here it is. And pay attention, it says do not touch on the bottom, so we shouldn't touch that portion. There we go. Have to remove the tape on the side. One more thing, this screen new screen that I got over here is actually a matte screen, whereas the previous one is glossy. So you notice the difference. One is shiny and the other one is not shiny. It's just a matter of preference. Now we could plug back the 40-pin connector at the back. Just from the side here. sure it's snug fit. Redo the tape. Ensure that the wires are not going to be pinched. And line up the screw. Now we can put the 4 screws back in place. What I usually do is put in the opposite corners first. Corners are done. I need 2 more little screws. Okay, just a second. We'll do that later. One that fell on the floor. Make sure it's tight. If it's not tight, put back the tabs. Tabs are lined up, and make sure that the wires are not pinched, and we're ready to close it off again. Okay, now we put back the screws. Make sure that the screw is not tight. The screw probably in. Alright, put back the tabs.
Have the other tab.
You'll find it. Okay. Put this. snaps are back in place. Okay, let's put back the battery.
Battery's over here.
Lock the battery,
Then we're done.
and we're turning right on.
Let's see how it works.
Okay, looks like now it's fixed. Thank you very much.